Welcome to our channel where we unravel tech's coolest secrets. Have you considered recording on IPTV and why you should explore it? Meet our prime star, 2TV.store, your ultimate streaming service. For the ultimate streaming experience with flexibility, visit 2TV.store and contact Nancy's customer support. Dive into today's guide with curiosity, because we are about to demystify IPTV recording. Let's walk through how you can record shows on IPTV. Begin by tuning into your favorite channel. Watch out for the recording icon on your screen. It's easier than you think. Now, press that record button. Your show will begin to save, just like magic. Manage your recordings within the IPTV app. Access them anytime. Never miss an episode. Enjoy seamless playback of your saved content at your convenience. It's perfect for those moments when live TV schedule doesn't match yours. Experience the power in your hands. Curious to take control of your viewing habits? Recording on IPTV gives you the flexibility you need. Visit 2TV.store now for the ultimate streaming journey. That's a wrap. See you in the next video.